Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 14, where we're going to be talking about a resource guide lead magnet. Now, why do they rock? Well, the main reason is that each year when magazines put out publications, they will have their top tools of the year, top things of the year, top bikes of the year, top accessories of the year. People love lists of top things or resources or tools or that kind of stuff. Right? And it just kind of intrigues people, and people always usually get good response from some type of resource guide. So if for your market, let's say that you were in the you're in the yoga market, right? You could talk about not just the top mats for people, for beginners, top mats for advanced users, right? You can get a little bit more specific with it. But resource guides, super easy to make. We want to try to keep it to one page, and I'm going to show you how to create one here. So if we jump over and take a look. Okay, so here you can see this one here. This actually went 2 pages. This was one of the first ones that I ever did here. But this, I'm going to just zoom out so you can see it. So 2 pages. All it was some business tools for people who are interested in digital marketing. I kind of broke down some of the top tools that were out there. Now, the great thing about this is that it was really simple to make. I had just some bullet points I was able to get right from the websites themselves as far as the different products. These were all products that I had used, so I was able to throw in some kind of personal experiences with these descriptions as well. And just a few pictures, and that was it. And then all I had to do was just save this as a PDF, upload it, boom, I have a lead magnet ready to go. So as far as a resource guide, super simple. There's really no excuse not to make one of these, depending on your market. So that is what I want you to do here today. I'm going to have a link underneath this so that you can check out one of my resource guides. I'm also going to include one of the nifty template forms that I've got that I use that you can take, modify, and start making a resource guide straight away here. So that is it for today. Make sure you check those links out under the video here, and I will see you in the next video.